From heightened intuition to vivid dreams, we're about to uncover 15 signs and symptoms of spiritual awakening that you can't ignore. You'll discover both common and unexpected symptoms of awakening, including ones you might not have even noticed. Some might surprise you, while others may resonate deeply. Whether you're just starting to question your spiritual path or are well along on your journey, these signs will help you navigate your awakening with clarity and confidence. By the end of this video, you'll not only recognize these signs, but also know exactly what to do and not do next on your spiritual journey to find true purpose and fulfillment. If you watch until the end, we'll uncover the biggest mistake people make in the early stages of their spiritual awakening so you can avoid it. If you're new here, welcome to our channel. At The Modern Soul, we focus on practical spirituality, blending ancient wisdom, science, and psychology to educate, inspire, and help you live a more fulfilled life. Now, let's get started. What is a spiritual awakening? A spiritual awakening is a profound realization that there's more to life than you previously believed, leading to greater self-awareness and deeper understanding. It fundamentally changes how you see yourself and the world around you, shifting your perspective and reshaping your reality. Remember in the movie The Matrix, when Neo takes the red pill and his world shifts dramatically? A spiritual awakening can feel just as transformative. As you embrace your awakening, you'll discover new insights, increased awareness, and a strong sense of purpose, leading you to a more fulfilled and enlightened life. Now that you understand what a spiritual awakening is, let's get right into the 15 signs that indicate you might be experiencing one. 15 signs and symptoms of spiritual awakening. As we dive into the first 5 signs of spiritual awakening, you'll notice these are primarily internal shifts. These changes may not be visible to others, but they'll profoundly impact your inner world and daily life. The first sign is heightened intuition. You might suddenly be able to sense others' emotions or predict events before they happen. This newfound sensitivity can be both a blessing and a challenge. While it allows for deeper connections and understanding, it can sometimes feel overwhelming. Moving on to the second sign, increased sensitivity to energies and emotions. This goes beyond simply being more empathetic. You may feel drained after spending time in crowded places or interacting with certain individuals. It's like your internal antenna has been fine-tuned, picking up on subtle frequencies you never noticed before. This heightened awareness of energies can be intense, making it crucial to establish healthy boundaries. You might need more time to recharge or feel uncomfortable in environments you previously enjoyed. The third sign is a deepening sense of self-awareness. This increased self-awareness can lead to significant personal growth and improved relationships. You may start questioning long-held beliefs or behaviors, realizing they no longer align with your authentic self. This process can be challenging, but ultimately liberating as you align your actions with your genuine values. Enhanced creativity marks the fourth sign of spiritual awakening. Many people experience a surge in creative energy during this time. You might find yourself drawn to new forms of expression or revisiting old hobbies with renewed passion. This creative awakening isn't limited to traditional art forms. It can manifest in problem-solving skills, innovative thinking at work, or even how you approach everyday tasks. This burst of creativity often reflects a deeper connection to your spiritual self and the world around you. The fifth sign might surprise you. Changes in sleep patterns and physical sensations. You may experience periods of insomnia or unusually vivid dreams. Some people report feeling tingling sensations, unexplained aches, or a sense of energy moving through their body. While these symptoms can be unsettling, they often indicate that your body and energy systems are adjusting to your new level of awareness. Pay attention to these changes and consult with healthcare professionals if they persist or cause concern. These 5 signs are just the beginning of the spiritual awakening journey. They represent a significant inner shift, laying the groundwork for more visible transformations to come. As we move from the inner shifts to more visible changes, you'll notice these next signs of spiritual awakening have a noticeable impact on your relationships and daily life. Sign number 6 is a growing desire for meaningful connections. You might find yourself craving deeper, more authentic relationships and feeling dissatisfied with superficial interactions. This shift often leads to reevaluating existing relationships and letting go of those that no longer serve your growth. You may be drawn to like-minded individuals who share your evolving perspectives, or find yourself engaging in more meaningful conversations with strangers. This desire for depth can transform your social life, leading to fewer but more fulfilling connections. The 7th sign can be particularly challenging. Feelings of disconnection from previous identities. As your awareness expands, you might feel like you no longer fit into old social circles or roles. This can be disorienting, as if you're watching your old self from a distance. You may question long-held beliefs, career choices, or even your sense of purpose. While this disconnection can be unsettling, it's a natural part of growth, making space for a more authentic version of yourself to emerge. Increased mindfulness in daily actions marks the 8th sign of spiritual awakening. You'll likely find yourself more present in everyday tasks, from eating to walking to interacting with others. This heightened awareness allows you to fully experience each moment, bringing a sense of richness to even the most mundane activities. You might notice subtle details in your environment that you previously overlooked, or become more attuned to your body's signals and needs. The 9th sign of spiritual awakening is a strong desire for solitude. You'll find yourself drawn to spending time alone in reflection and meditation. This isn't about isolating yourself, but about connecting with your inner self. Solitude allows you to recharge, clear your mind, and strengthen your intuition, making it a vital part of your spiritual journey. The 10th sign of spiritual awakening is feeling a sense of oneness. You start to realize that everything in the universe is interconnected, and you feel a deep bond with all living things. This awareness helps you see the bigger picture and understand that we are all part of something greater. It brings a sense of unity and compassion, making you more mindful of your actions and their impact on others. These external changes, from seeking meaningful connections to experiencing expanded compassion, can lead to a more fulfilling and purpose-driven life. As you align your outer world with your inner growth, you may find a greater sense of harmony and authenticity in your daily experiences. As we explore the final set of signs, you'll encounter some of the most profound and unexpected symptoms of spiritual awakening. These signs often mark a deeper level of transformation, pushing the boundaries of what you thought possible. Sign number 11 is the occurrence of vivid and lucid dreams. Your dream life may suddenly become more intense, colorful, and memorable. You may be able to control your dreams, also known as lucid dreaming, or receive messages that feel significant upon waking. These dreams can serve as a bridge between your conscious and subconscious mind, offering insights and guidance for your spiritual journey. Pay attention to recurring symbols or themes, as they may hold important clues about your path forward. The 12th sign is a softening of the ego. You may notice a shift in your relationship with material possessions and sense of self-importance. This doesn't mean you'll suddenly become a minimalist, but you might find yourself less attached to things and more focused on experiences and connections. As one spiritual teacher explains, you will feel a strong urge to wipe the slate clean and start over. The 13th sign is experiencing synchronicities. These are meaningful coincidences that seem too perfectly timed to be random. You might repeatedly see specific numbers, encounter the same symbol in different contexts, or meet people who provide exactly what you need at that moment. These synchronicities often confirm that you're on the right path, providing a sense of guidance and connection to something greater than yourself. The 14th sign involves questioning old beliefs and values. As your awareness expands, You may find yourself reevaluating long-held assumptions about life, spirituality, and your place in the world. This can be uncomfortable at times, as it may challenge your existing worldview. However, this questioning leads to a deeper understanding of your true values and priorities. Finally, the 15th sign is a growing desire to serve others. As you progress on your spiritual journey, you may feel increasingly compelled to make a positive impact on the world. This could manifest as a career change, volunteering, or simply being more present and supportive in your everyday interactions. This desire to serve comes from a place of connection and compassion, recognizing that by helping others, we ultimately help ourselves. As we've explored these 15 signs of spiritual awakening, you may have recognized several in your own life. Now that you can recognize the signs, let's discuss what steps you can take and what pitfalls to avoid next. What to do and not do next. If you're feeling confused or isolated during this process, remember that it's a natural part of the journey. Be patient with yourself as you integrate these changes. To navigate these challenges, try incorporating meditation, journaling, or spending time in nature into your daily routine. These practices help ground you and provide clarity. Now, here is what you want to try to avoid at all costs. The biggest mistake people make in the early stages of a spiritual awakening is ignoring the signs and dismissing their intuition. This can lead to confusion, frustration, wasted time, and missed opportunities. To avoid this common pitfall, start by trusting your instincts and paying attention to your inner voice. Take time each day for quiet reflection or meditation to tune into your intuition. Keeping a journal to write down your thoughts and feelings can provide clarity and help you recognize patterns. You can watch our video here on how to supercharge your intuition to help you hone this skill. Here's a surprising truth. The goal isn't to complete your spiritual awakening, but to embrace it as an ongoing process. Just when you think you've arrived, you'll likely encounter new levels of growth and understanding. There's no finish line, only continuous growth and discovery. Trust in this process, even when it feels challenging. We'd love to hear about your experiences with spiritual awakening. Share your story in the comments below and connect with others on similar paths so we can support one another. Hit that subscribe button to join our community. As we mentioned at the beginning of this video, navigating a spiritual awakening can be overwhelming, especially in the beginning. To help give you a big-picture perspective of where you are and where you're headed, check out our video on the 7 stages of spiritual awakening. It offers a clear roadmap with practical tips for each phase. Your journey is just beginning.